If you're using Power Query to consolidate multiple files from a network folder, and now that folder is being moved to SharePoint, you might want to know how to easily change the connection to connect to that new SharePoint folder. Well, I'm going to show you how.
Today you're going to learn how you can switch between charts with a radio button in Excel. And this is an easy trick that you can use when you're setting up interactive dashboards. Okay, so I have
Hello everyone, are you ready to talk about techniques for better forecasting in Excel? So here goes. So this is me. My name's Danielle Stein Fairhurst. I am a financial modelling specialist, and using Excel for the purpose of financial modelling is pretty much all I've ever done. It's my world, it's what I live and breathe. I've written a couple of books about financial modelling, and fairly recently I became a Microsoft MVP. So a lot of the
So in this case, I continue to have stores and the country. So now I have two columns about the stores. And then I have week 1 employee ID, week 1 employee name, week 1 employee department. Maybe.
All right, here's a weekend challenge. Can you sort one column in a table using a filter without sorting the others? Hey, welcome back to the Mr. Excel Netcast. I'm Bill Jellin. You know, one of the things I've been doing for 8 years or so is trying to answer questions, Excel questions on.
Hello and welcome to this Excel tips video. I am Sumit Bansal, and in this video I'm going to show you how to quickly combine the date and time values in Excel. So here I have this data where I have the dates in column A and time values in column B, and I want to combine these and get the date and time value in a single column.
School Manager Part 17. In this all new episode from scratch, we're going to be designing this really cool exams, quizzes, tests, and assignments. We'll be able to do new tests. We'll be able to update. We'll be able to check for automatic duplicates. We'll also be able to go into transactions and create brand new transactions. All kinds of transactions for students, teachers, expenses, income. It's going to be a great training. You won't want to miss it. So let's get started.